MINEX Russia Mining and Exploration Forum was held in Moscow from 6 to the 8th of October 2020. As this year not all speakers and participants were able to physically attend the forum, we have developed a technology for organizing conference sessions, exhibition, and networking in a hybrid format which helped to connect people participating in the forum in person and online. Our platform powered real-time Russian and English simultaneous translation of the presentations and discussions between speakers and delegates. The networking tool enabled seamless communications and meetings between delegates attending in Moscow in person and from around the world virtually. After the forum, we have assembled video recordings, photos, and slides presented by over 120 speakers at 15 sessions of the forum. To recreate the participation experience and provide a platform for further engagement, we have designed a virtual world that is now a permanent home to MINEX Russia 2020. You can access the forum materials and leave feedback here. Through the interactive tour featuring over 80 panoramas, you can visit the exhibition via computer, iPad and mobile phone. No download is required. You can tour over 50 individual stands featuring company introductions, presentation materials, and videos. Send exhibitors your questions via chatbot or contact form. Access videos of the associated events and forum materials. We have also added several integrations to enhance the practicality of MINEX Russia Virtual World. They will help to connect potential customers with providers. Exhibitors can add to their virtual exhibition stands additional software that will allow them to organize individual video calls and group meetings using Zoom, Skype, Facebook groups, Google Meet, and other platforms. We have also added a webinar platform that can be hired to organize networking events, training sessions, and presentations for audiences of up to 1,000 people. We hope that you will enjoy your visit to MINEX Russia 2020 Virtual World and look forward to greeting you at MINEX Russia 2021 in Moscow.